Today we're making chicken noodle soup. We have boneless, skinless chicken breast, 3 pounds of it. We have 4 sticks of celery chopped in bite-sized pieces. Then we have a bag of baby carrots we're going to put in. And 2 cans of chicken broth. 2 coffee cups full of water. Then we're going to just sprinkle a little bit of parsley in. And some salt and pepper. You can put other seasonings in if you want to, but I just like using the basic salt and pepper. The meat really doesn't need anything else because it's good lean meat. So what we're going to do is cover it, put it in the oven for 2 hours to bake, and then we will take half of the chicken out so we can make chicken salad with half of it. The other half we'll cut up in pieces and make chicken noodle soup. It's been 2 hours that the chicken and the carrots and the celery has been cooking in the oven. So now I'm going to take some of the chicken out because I want to make some chicken salad with some of it. So we're going to take some of it out. Leave the carrots in here for the soup. Take a couple more pieces out. You just want the chicken for the chicken salad. So take about 7 pieces of the chicken out. We're going to make chicken salad with that. So that's in that bowl. I'm going to use this to make chicken salad later. And the rest of the chicken that's in the pot, we're going to cut this chicken up. Just break it in pieces. See how easily it breaks up? Just with a fork, we're going to break it up and add noodles to it. First, we have to boil the noodles. So here we have a pot of water. We're going to turn it on high. Add a little salt to it, and once it comes to a boil, we're going to put some Klinsky noodles in. They take about 15 minutes to boil, and then once they're done, we're going to throw them in the pot with the carrots and chicken and the chicken broth, and we'll have chicken noodle soup. As soon as the water comes to a boil, we're going to add the Klinsky noodles in to boil them for the chicken noodle soup. And they will cook for 15 minutes. Then we'll strain them and add them to the chicken broth and chicken and celery and carrots that we have. And then we're going to add a can of cream of celery soup and a can of cream of chicken soup to it too. The water is boiling, so we're adding the noodles. Set the timer for 15 minutes. They need to boil 15 minutes. Just stir them every now and then so they don't stick to the bottom of the pot. They'll be done in 15 minutes. The noodles are almost done. So before I put the noodles in, I'm going to put a can of cream of celery in. Dump it all in. Any brand of cream of celery soup you can use. I just buy the store brand because it's cheaper and we're all on a budget, so, and it tastes just the same. And then 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Put that in. Then we're just going to stir that in till it dissolves in there, and that just thickens up the soup a little bit. Makes it a little more creamy. So when the noodles are done, we're just going to add them. They got another 6 minutes. See how they're boiling away? We got about 6 minutes to go. Now that the noodles are done, I'm going to add them to the rest of the chicken and carrots and celery. Just strain the noodles, put them right in. All the noodles are in the soup. So now you just stir everything up. You have chicken noodle soup. We have boneless, skinless chicken breast in here. We have celery, carrots, noodles, cream of celery soup, and cream of chicken soup, and 2 cans of chicken broth, 2 cups of water. All together, and we put salt and pepper and parsley in. Also, you can put other spices in if you'd like, but I keep my spices simple, and everybody has less heartburn that way. So, hope you enjoy.